January 2026. Pasadena market update. These numbers reflect what closed out in December and give us a clear look at how the Pasadena market is starting the year. Right now, Pasadena has 193 active listings, which puts the market at 2.1 months of supply. That is still firmly a seller's market. Inventory is low and well below what would be considered balanced. New listings came in at just 48, down more than 27% year over year. Pending sales were also down about 13%. That tells us sellers are holding back and buyers are being more selective, which is slowing overall momentum. Here is where it gets interesting. Closed sales jumped nearly 76% with 102 homes sold. Total closed volume increased almost 60% to just under $288 million. Even with fewer listings and longer decision-making, transactions are still closing at a high level. Now, let's talk pricing. The median sales price ended December at just over $1.27 million, down about 2.3% year over year. The average sales price dropped more sharply, down more than 9% to about $1.41 million. Price per square foot remained essentially flat at $783 per square foot. That tells us higher-end homes are seeing more pressure, while the core of the market is holding steadier. Sellers are still getting 99.9% of their final list price on average, but only about 97.5% of their original list price. That means negotiations are back in the conversation. Homes are also taking longer to sell. Average days on market is now 35 days, up nearly 30% from last year. Buyers are looking more before committing, with about 2 to 3 showings per listing and an average of 2 showings needed to get a home under contract. So what does this mean as we move into 2026? For sellers, pricing matters more than it has in years. Homes that are priced correctly are still selling and selling well. Overpriced homes are sitting and requiring price adjustments. With new listings down significantly, sellers who act now face less competition but need to be realistic. For buyers, patience is finally starting to pay off. You have more time, fewer bidding wars, and more room to negotiate, especially on homes that sit beyond the average 35 days. But inventory is still limited, so when the right home comes up, hesitation can still cost you. The bottom line is this: Pasadena is still a seller's market, but it is clearly cooling. Urgency has been replaced by evaluation. The market now rewards smart pricing, strong preparation, and decisive action. If you are buying or selling in 2026, this is not the year to guess. It is the year to be strategic. Power up.